Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to share some quick and effective 5-minute morning routines that can set you up for a productive day. Mornings can be hectic, but with just a few minutes of intentional activities, you can boost your energy, focus, and motivation. Let's dive into some simple routines that you can incorporate into your mornings. First, start with a moment of mindfulness. Take the first minute to practice deep breathing or meditation. Find a comfortable spot, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. This practice helps clear your mind, reduces stress, and prepares you for the day ahead. Even just 1 minute of mindfulness can make a significant difference in your mental clarity. Next, spend a minute stretching your body. Stretching helps wake up your muscles and increases blood flow, which can enhance your energy levels. Focus on areas that may feel tight, such as your neck, shoulders, and back. Simple stretches like reaching for the sky, side bends, or gentle neck rolls can help you feel more relaxed and ready to tackle the day. After your stretching session, take a minute to set your intentions for the day. Grab a notebook or use a notes app on your phone to jot down 3 things you want to accomplish. These can be work-related tasks, personal goals, or even self-care activities. By identifying your priorities, you create a roadmap for your day, which can help you stay focused and motivated. Now, let's move on to hydration. Spend a minute drinking a glass of water. After a night's sleep, your body needs hydration to kickstart your metabolism and improve your concentration. If you want to make it more refreshing, consider adding a slice of lemon or a few mint leaves. This simple act of hydration can help you feel more alert and energized. Finally, take a minute to review your schedule or to-do list. Look over your commitments for the day and ensure you're prepared for any meetings or tasks ahead. If you have a busy day planned, consider prioritizing your tasks based on urgency and importance. This quick review will help you feel more organized and in control, reducing any anxiety about what lies ahead. In just 5 minutes, you can create a morning routine that sets a positive tone for your day. Remember, the key is consistency. Try to incorporate these routines into your daily life, and over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your productivity and overall well-being. Thank you for watching. If you found these 5-minute morning routines helpful for a productive day, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next video.